Hello friends, welcome to After School, and in today's video we will see word problems based on addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's begin. Our first question is, the population of three cities A, B and C is 5,68,78,198, 6,16,72,216 and 7,15,21,790. What is the total population of the three cities? What this question means is that there are three cities A, B and C whose populations are this much. We need to find the total population of these three cities. So let's find the population of these three cities. So our first statement is population of city A is equals to 5,68,78,198. Next statement will be population of city B equals to 6,16,72,216. Our next statement will be population of city C is equals to 7,15,21,790. Therefore, total population of these three cities equals to, we will add these now, 568, 78,198. The next number is 6,16,72,216, and our final number is 7,15,21,790. Now we will add this. 8 plus 6, 14, carry 1. 9 plus 9, 18, plus 1, 19, plus 1, 20, 0, carry 2. 7 plus 2, 9, plus 1, 10, plus 2 equals to 12, carry 1. 8 plus 2, 10, 11, plus 1, 12, 2, carry 1. 7, 7, 14, 1, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 7, carry 1. 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 0, carry 2. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry 1. 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 7, 19. So, I don't have space here, so I will write over here. Answer equals to population is 1900 72204. So let's move on to our next question. Our next question is, in the board examination, 50,02,169 students appeared in 2015 and 32,05,874 in 2016. How many students appeared in these 2 years? What this question means is that 50,02,169 students appeared in 2015 and 32,05,874 in 2016. We need to find the total number of students appeared in these 2 years. So, our first statement will be, in 2015, number of students appeared in board examination. Equals to 50,02,169. Our next statement will be, in 2016, number of students appeared in board examination. Equals to 32,05,874. Therefore, total number of students appeared in these 2 years equals to, we will add these, 5,0,02,169 with 32,05,874. Now let's add 9 plus 4, 13, 3, carry 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, carry 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, 10, 0, carry 1, 5 plus 2, 7, plus 1, 8, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2, and 5 plus 3, 8. I don't have place down, so I will write over here. Answer equals to 8208043 students appeared in the board examination. So let's move on to our next question. Our next question is, the difference between two numbers is 68,39,507. If the smaller number is 25,340, find the greater number. What this question means is that the difference between two numbers is this much, and if the smaller number is this, then what is the greater number? So we will add this with this. So first, this question will not have any statement because there are no clues for the statement. So we will directly do it. 68, 39,507, and over here we will start from the right side. 04352. Now we will add this. 7 plus 0 7, 0 plus 4 4, 5 plus 3 8, 9 plus 5 14, carry 1, 3 plus 2 5, plus 1 6, per 8, and here 6. So our answer is the greater number is 6864847. So let's move on to our next question. Our next question is, a businessman has rupees 7,53,169 in his account. If he withdraws rupees 2,13,996, how much money is left in his account? What this question means is that there is a businessman who has rupees 7,53,169 in his account, and if he withdraws 2,13,996, what is left in his account now? So because there is this much in his account and he withdraws it, that means that he took the money from the account. So now there is less money left in the account, so we will subtract it. Our first statement will be amount of money. There is a short form of amount, that is AMT dot. Amount of money in a businessman, BUSINESSMAN, businessman account equals to rupees this much, and amount of money he withdraws. Withdraws is equals to rupees 213,996, and here it will be 753,169. I will erase this. So therefore amount of money left in his account is equals to, because he took the money from his account, so we will subtract it. We will subtract 2,13,996 from 7,53,169. 169. Now let's subtract. 9 minus 6, 3. 6 minus 9 we cannot do because 6 is smaller than 9. So it will borrow from the next number. Here it is 1, so it will give here. So it will become 16 and 1 will become 0. 16 minus 9 is equals to 7. 0 minus 9 we cannot do because 0 is smaller than 9. So it will take from other number which is 2 and it will become 10. 10 minus 9 is equals to 1 and 2 minus 3 we cannot do, so here it becomes 12 and here it becomes 4. 12 minus 3 is equals to 9. Now 4 minus 1, 3 and 7 minus 2, 5. So answer equals to rupees 539,173 is left in his account. So let's move on to our next question. Our next question is, in a city the total number of population is 65719,374, out of which 26129,189 are men. Find the number of women. What this question means is that there is a city where the population of men is 26129,189. The total population is 65719,374. Now we need to find the number of women. So what we will do is we will subtract the number of men by the total number of population. So our first statement will be total population of a city is equals to 65719,374, then number of men. Short form of number is NO dot. Number of men is equals to 26129,189. Therefore, number of women equals to, we will subtract the number of men by the total population. So we will write the bigger number first, which is the total population, 65719,374. We will subtract this number by the number of men, which is 26129,189. Now we will subtract 4 minus 9 we cannot do because 4 is small, so it will borrow. 7 will become 6 and 4 will become 3. 4 will become 14. 14 minus 9, 5. 6 minus 8 we cannot do because 6 is smaller than 8, so it will borrow. It will become 16 and it will become 2. 16 minus 8, 8. 2 minus 1, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 1 minus 2, 1 is smaller, so it will become 11 and it will become 6. 11 minus 2, 9. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 6 we cannot do, so it will become 15 and the next number will become 5. 15 minus 6, 9, and then 5 minus 2, 3. So answer is equals to 3959018 women. So let's move on to our next question. Our next question is, what must be added to 5135946112 to get 853616146? What this question means is that there is a number 5135946112. So what will we add to this number to get this number? So to find the other number, what we will do is we will subtract the smaller number with the greater number. So the greater number is this. So we will subtract that from here. So it will not have any statement because the question is too small to have any statements. Now we will write the number by our right hand side. 641616358. Now we will subtract. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 1 minus 6 we cannot do because 1 is smaller, so it will become 11 and the next number will become 5. 11 minus 6, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. 1 we cannot subtract 1 by 9, so it will borrow from the next number. The next number will become 5 and this number will become 11. 11 minus 9 is equals to 2. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. And 8 minus 5, 3. So our answer is 3400215534 must be added to get 8536 16146. Let's move on to our next question. This is the end of this video. The next questions that are multiplication and division, we will do it in the next video. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and press the bell icon to get the notification of our next video. Thank you. Subscribe please.